All right, here's what I'm doing for tonight. I got her all jacked up. She has to be up a little high because I don't have a stand, which I'm working on that now. This is the park brake cable. Well, a lot of these models, they tend to fail. The little ears, I'll show y'all. These little ears right here break off. This holds the cable like this, upside down. So, and over the years they'll fail and it makes a horrendous noise in the. Okay, let me get started. I'll show y'all a little step. Y'all know how I shoot videos, so if y'all can put up with it. Some of the brackets up there. So, and this whole system will actually just fall down a little bit. You don't need to take it all the way down. So, that'll be the first step. So let's get these off there. Okay, once you get that down, you can see it's resting. Don't pry it down a lot, y'all. So just let it hang there. She's still got little wires on it. So you can see where it's. This will actually roll down. She'll roll down out the way, but it's not a big deal. As long as it's loose, it gives you a little bit of, see what I'm saying? So let's get back there. I'll take the cross member off right there. And that should be a Torx 40. Take those off. And then we'll go on to the next one. All right, this is the bracket I'm talking about right here. It's got the Torx 40 bit. You got 6 of them that's take down. Let it come down. All right, well, I have a tool I don't have. So off to Harbor Freight I go. We'll get to Harbor Freight, see if we can find it, so we can get back and finish this up tonight. Okay, we're under the car. We got everything off. We got the exhaust pushed aside. Carrier bearing, I had to take off. Keep it off the drive shaft. That's what it's actually hitting, making that noise under acceleration here. And it's just vibrating up in here. And if it doesn't clamp, you'll hear this. And it's in the cabin. It's 10 times louder. So, all right, let me get this thing on. Curse, curse, damn, damn, curse, curse. I'd like to make this child friendly, but it's very hard to make that when... I had to take the drive shaft off, yes. And drop the fuel tank, yes. To get that plastic freaking clip off. Edward, I love you, buddy. I'm just getting the clip off and we'll finish it up tomorrow. I'm cold. So, this is the BMW clip removal. The reason why, y'all, because you gotta remove the tank, because it has to drop down far enough to clear this bolt inside of the clip, because this slides out that way. It doesn't drop down. You take the bolt off, it doesn't drop down. This rubber grommet slides out, so the tank's got to come down far enough to get below that head. You know what I'm talking about? Then you can slide it off. I totally understand why BMW charges a lot, you know, but yeah, I think I would have started this earlier if I'd have known expectations. But all right, let me get this off, put the new one on. We'll get her buttoned up tomorrow when it's a little warmer.